Welcome back, everybody, to Silicon Snacks. I'm your host, Jason Catalano, and on this channel, it's our mission to make your menu in minutes for muscles. And for today's recipe, this is a great peanut butter and banana smoothie where we leverage Amazing Grass's superfood greens to get baseline nutrition covered, as well as we're leveraging a lemon extract to give it a lot of pop. So the first one is this one, Amazing Grass Superfood Greens. What I love about the Amazing Grass Superfood Greens, particularly in this recipe, is that when you drink the smoothie, you know right away that you're getting your baseline nutrition for the day from your greens, your fruits, your veggies. So if you have a hard time, with getting a lot of fruits and veggies into your diet, I really recommend not only Amazing Grass, it's about $1 per scoop. Baseline, what it does is it basically takes out the stress of not knowing whether or not you're gonna have your nutrition covered, okay? So that's what I really like about Amazing Grass is for $1 a day, I don't have to worry about my fruits and veggies. Pretty good. And the other one we have is this, which is a lemon extract. This one's from McCormick, very cheap. You can go to Safeway and get it, probably $3 or $4. And the point of the lemon extract in this recipe is it's gonna give a little bit more of a pop. Okay, sometimes bananas and peanut butter can kind of give you a little bit mellow of a recipe. This is a great one for summer, as it's gonna really make it pop in your mouth. It's gonna be a much more intense flavor than a traditional peanut butter and banana smoothie. And so with that, we say, giddy up.